How to fix desktop background turning black automatically in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Adjusting power options settings can sometimes resolve display issues, including a black desktop background. These settings can affect how the computer manages power, which in turn can impact display functionalities. Ensure that both settings, on battery and plugged in, are set to available. Sometimes, necessary system files that contribute to displaying the desktop background can be hidden. Enabling the visibility of hidden items in File Explorer allows you to confirm if these files are present and intact. Outdated or corrupted display drivers can cause display issues. Updating them ensures that your system uses the latest driver software, which can fix display problems.